Leveling up your camera is only one step in the journey towards leveling up your filmmaking. What you put in front of your camera is just as, if not more important, than all of the form factor and the specs sitting behind it. I'm talking glass, lenses, and if you truly want to level up your filmmaking, understanding the benefits behind investing in and using professional cinema lenses, like the Canon Cinema series, is a huge leap in that direction. When it comes to filmmaking specifically, there are two reasons we choose the Canon Cinema lenses over lenses that are designed for still photography: the image and the build. The Canon Cinema lenses were designed from the ground up with the professional filmmaker, camera assistant, or camera operator in mind. The optics or glass elements inside the lens are coated and made to pair perfectly with the high-resolution sensors within each of their cameras. Now, the lenses are precision built to eliminate any chromatic aberration or distortion. Plus, since these lenses are color matched, there's no color shift when you're changing your lens, eliminating the need to color correct lens changes in post-production. A lot of big words, but basically put, chromatic aberration is a common optical problem that's often found in lower priced or poorly designed lenses. Additionally, the Cinema EOS cameras have the chromatic aberration data for each Canon Cinema lens built in, which improves the overall quality and performance of each lens. Chromatic aberration occurs when a lens is unable to bring all the wavelengths of color together and focus them on the same plane. The result is often a weird color fringing at the edges around an object or a difficult to focus shot. These issues are resolved when using Canon Cinema lenses with Cinema EOS cameras. Hence, a better image. The Canon Cinema lenses are going to give you a sharper, more color accurate image. Additionally, the Cinema lenses have more aperture blades than a traditional still photography lens. Now that's going to give you a better, more pleasing bokeh, which is the softness and roundness in the out of focus areas within your shot. The second reason we consistently turn to the Canon Cinema lenses is a better build. These things are simply built to make professional films. They're rugged and sturdy and able to stand up to whatever you can throw at them. Whether in a controlled studio environment, the harsh desert, or a sub-zero documentary shoot in Nepal, we've taken these lenses everywhere and captured some amazing footage as a result. And the benefits of the construction don't stop there. The size and weight of the prime lenses are consistent across the range, making these lenses a perfect choice for gimbal work or when using accessories like a follow focus or matte box. Because of their build consistency, you're going to spend less time rebalancing your gimbal after every lens change. And the standard lens diameter, coupled with the relatively same length of each lens, means you can quickly swap lenses without having to readjust your matte box. Less time tweaking your gear means more time to get the shot you need. When it comes to focus, that's where the build of the Cinema lenses really shine. You see, photography lenses are designed to find focus quickly, in an instant. Because of this, with very little movement, you can roll through an entire focus range of a lens. This is great for still photos, when you only need to focus on a single instant. Not so much when it comes to complex and accurate camera moves or blocking. The focus ring on a truly professional lens, like the Canon Cinema lenses, are built to have a long focus throw, or distance you have to turn the lens to adjust your focus. It takes a full 300 degrees of rotation to turn a Canon Cinema Prime all of the way through its focus range. This is so you can make minute and highly accurate adjustments. Likewise, the lenses have exact measurements in either feet and inches or metric measurements. These markings are on both sides of the lens, so whether you're adjusting your own focus or you're working with a crew and having an assistant camera operator pulling focus for you, it's much easier to get a perfectly sharp image with a professional cinema lens. The Canon Cinema lenses also have a stepless iris adjustment, which allows for smooth and accurate exposure adjustments. And there you have it, two huge reasons why you shouldn't just stop at leveling up your camera, but you also need to consider your lens choices when leveling up your filmmaking.